Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How's it going? I hope everybody is well. Today we are going to be testing out a palette, and it is the Bad Habit After Hours palette. There's an After Hours collection. I will quickly show you them if you haven't seen them all. There's 4 in the collection. These were all sent to me by my subscriber Jeanette. So you've got the After Hours, which is this one, which is what we're going to be using today. We've got the After Party, which is this one. I am going to be doing a look on all of the palettes. Aftershock and After Dark. So they are all beautiful, but today's one we are using is After Hours. I have swatched these on my arm, being all organised, because it normally takes me ages. I can never find baby wipes. So these are the colours from this way. There's one here that you can't see. It's Powder Room, Hickey, Clutch, Gossip, Lustful, Flushed, Wine Stain, Eye Contact and Cabernet. So yeah, super excited. Apparently these are dupes for the Huda Beauty minis. And I don't know, I think it's the, I want to say cranberry or something, or mauve. I don't really know. I saw it on Instagram this morning. But these are $10 each, or 3 for £30, or $30 on Hush is where you buy them from. So I will link them down below. But we're just going to get in. We're just going to do it because I want to try them. I want to try them. So I'm going to quickly prime my eyes because I've got nothing on my eyes at the moment. And then we'll come back. I've just put some concealer on my eyes, and I'm going to set them with the colour Powder Room, which is just a, for me it's like a skin tone, but this is just a nice creamy colour. Okay, to start off with, I am going to go into the colour Lustful right in the centre. There's quite a lot of kickback and fallout, and this is a Morphe M576. I'm going to put this in a crease. Okay, I've got Lustful on both eyes. It was much darker than I anticipated it being. I wouldn't normally use something this dark as a transition, but it's on now, so it's what's happening. I'm now going to go into Cabernet, but I'm going to really tap off the excess, and I want to put this in the crease too. I'm just getting a clean brush. I'm just going over that edge of the 2 colours together. Now we're going to go into the colour Hickey. And this is on a e.l.f. crease brush. And I'm just gonna put this right on the edge just to deepen the edge, and then into the crease right in there. There's been no fallout like onto my face at all. I didn't do any of the makeup just to just in case there was, but there isn't yet, so that's good. Okay, that is on, so I might go back and deepen that up a little bit, but I want to go into some shimmers first. I'm not really sure what one I want to use. I'm drawn to all of them, but Clutch is calling to me. I've just got a flat Bodyography Pro flat shader. Ooh, there's no setting spray on this. This one's got a bit of fallout, but you tend to get that with shimmery, so I don't mind. I'm just putting this all over the lid. I'm not like cutting the lid as such. I'm not being particularly precise with it. I decided against it. That is Clutch. I'll do the other eye quickly. I do want to go into a little bit of Gossip, which is the sort of deeper shimmer, and pop this on the outer. Oh, that's pretty, on the outer edge. And I'm just tapping it so it kind of fades from one to the other. I think I'm also going to go into eye contact as well, which is the other shimmer. And pop this right in the middle of them. And I've just got that same clean brush again, and I'm just going to go over the edges just to really smoke them out. And so I am going to do the rest of my makeup, and then we'll come back and do the under eyes. I'm going to do the bottom lashes, and I'm going to go into the colours Lustful and Wine Stain. And I think I've used everything apart from Flushed. And then I've just got a black kohl pencil. I'm just going to run this on my waterline. Finally, I'm going to go back into the colour Clutch and just reapply a little bit on my inner corner because it's so pretty. And also on the brow bone, which I don't ever do. We are good. I really, really love this palette, and I'm super excited now to try the other ones because it was much better than I thought it was going to be. It feels amazing, but I'd read some stuff online and people were saying they weren't that good, but I think this is amazeballs. I've said in another video, they feel expensive. There is a weight to them. They don't feel cheap and flimsy. They feel lush. So yeah, this was what I did with the After Hours palette. I know it's not particularly neat, but nothing I do is neat. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Let me know in the comments which palette you want me to use next. After Dark, After Shock, or After Party. Let me know and I'll film that next. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.